30 feet. Yeah.
So here are we at Captain House, sailing, and he's quite sober because he's been drinking Australian water, Aussie natural spring water. And Captain, can you describe some of the sights of the harbor we pulled out of over there?
So what we've got, so it's Hillary's Boat Harbour.
Yeah.
And as we come along the coast, you have Sorrento Beach, Marmion, and if you have a look at that little boat, that little house down there on the beach is Marmion Angling Club.
Excellent.
And then we come along to North Beach, and some of your American cat employees live in
North Beach. Lucky ones, I wish I did.
Lucky ones.
Yeah.
And then as we move along, we've got Carina, Trink Beach.
And then we're headed towards Scarborough Beach.
Headed towards Scarborough,
Yeah. Rendezvous Hotel, that's where we've spent a few days.
Yeah.
All right, thank you, Captain. I'll go up there and see how the mates are doing. Hello.
Hello.
Are you enjoying the sailing?
Yeah. How about you?
Yeah. Fantastic. How you doing, Jag?
Thank you, Jeff.
Man, you can feel the speed more here.
You want to go up there? I'll take it of you as well.
It's still recording.
Are you pressing it or what?
No, actually, I'm going to stop it here because it's getting a little rough. So.
Is it here, boy?
I'll go back and keep Jeff company.